good am I at cinematics? Yeah, no, in all seriousness, welcome to today's video. We are heading to Bribie, so it's the Ekka public holiday, or the exhibition for some old people, public holiday. So we are heading to Bribie and we're gonna have a mint day. I'm hopefully not gonna ruin my CV or what's left of it. So yeah, it should be mint. I'll catch up with you when we meet up with the boys. I will turn off Adam C's podcast. We're on the way. You'll probably see Deck come past my right shoulder in a minute and Ben's coming up the left. Yeah, we're just going to Bribie. Literally have zero plans.
By the way, there's a new point-to-point speed cameras down. But look at sick we look right now.
Yeah, cool chat. So I don't know if you can see, Ben's out there, Deck's out there, trying not to die. But yeah, we're just gonna go have some fun. Deck's car's hurt, my car's hurt. Ben's is a Holden, so yeah, we'll see how we go. Alright, we're on the beach. You can probably hear my CV. It's not any worse than what it was at Fraser, so how good, we should be right. Yeah, we got... I'm bumping. This camera's not loving it. I might just update you when we get onto the beach, eh? Alright, these goobers have got their Kluger stuck. So I think the so-called mum bus, which is the 105...
Park up there to the left, we'll get out and push them.
Is gonna give it a go.
Yeah, push them back.
Because
park up to the left over here and we'll come back and push them, eh?
There's no way they're getting out. Oh god, feels bad for them. So these dogs got stuck.
Recovery point.
Couldn't get them out.
And goes on a
Tried to winch them. No recovery points. So
so,
rip.
kind of fucked.
Oh well.
Learn your lessons, kids. Don't drive on the beach.
Yeah.
Fuck
If you're on the beach, check it out. So essentially what happened there, we see this Kluger, we're like, oh yeah, good content, we'll snatch them out. It has one recovery point on the back that's not big enough to get like a D-shackle around. So we're like, alright, we'll use the maxis, and then they were just too retarded to drive them out. So I was like, this.
Oh my god!
Anyway, yeah, now we're gonna go find a cheeky spot and rip into some chips. So now we're going to Super Cheap because we want to put a pod filter on Ben's car. I still haven't shown you the cars. I'll show you later. Actually, we'll show you as Addy drives off. He's in his mum's 105 and it is very mint. There he goes. Big 105, it's a 1HZ turbo. And there's Deck. And there's Ben in the Rodeo. Alright, we're just airing up real quick because these hooligans want to do hooligan shit and put pod filters on 4J motors. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you the cars that we're going with. So mine's over there. This is Ben's. It's a Rodeo. 4J motor. There goes my sunnies. And it's on 31 muddies. A lift?
Yeah, 2 inches.
Oh, never mind. He's got 2 inches. Everything anyone could need. And then there's Deck's over there. It's changed a bit. It's supposed to have stacks like what we told you last time, but it doesn't because he talks a big game. And then the last one, that's Addy's mum's car. So turbo 1.8Z, 2-inch and 33s. So yeah, that's what we were ripping around the beach in. All right, we put the pod filter on Ben's car and it sounded pretty good, but next thing, we're home now and we're thinking take it one step further and we'll gap the exhaust. So we're gonna line him up on the ramps now and we're gonna take his exhaust off. The cat's just off the turbo, so we're not gonna gap it there.
Oh,
But Deck is gonna gap it right there. I think you can see the flange. So we're just gonna get rid of it. Alright, let's take it for a drive. So there's one, pod filter. The other is exhaust gapped, and 2 cheeky mods for Ben today, and we're gonna go give it a drive, eh? That much louder, but you can hear the turbo.
Still hear the turbo.
So we'll give it a bit of a rip. Oh, the turbo sounds so good though. Yeah. Exhaust isn't much, but turbo sounds mint. At least 6 months since the last video with it. It was Bribey as well.
It was 8 months ago, I think it was.
Okay. Not counting or anything, but Deck knows.
I'm just taking a stab in the dark.
Yeah, so it's changed a bit. As you can see, it was white tub last time. What else has changed, Deck?
I got a new roof rack.
New roof rack that's sitting there, my old one.
I got hood, scrub bars, rooftop, toolbox, cover. Painted actually.
Painted, and then it's like a Raptor coating on the inside as well.
Got mesh on the headboard.
Where's the stacks?
Stacks.
What happened to the stacks, mate?
Stacks were not allowed because I was going to be kicked out of my rent
Oh.
because
Father said no.
oh we don't not look at that one. I got cup holders now.
He's got big towing mirrors just to show his appendage size. Whip. Which one's the not working one?
That's 4G.
Yeah, right.
It is. It's connected to 4G.
Wirelessly.
Wirelessly. And then I've got
Oh, he's got the little ball
little knob.
to turn.
Got me.
Oh, and the air horns.
Oh.
Give him an air horn. There you go. Just up the corner there. There's the air horns. So they're a bit loud. He just scared the kids at the park. Dual battery now? Or did you have that before?
Dual battery. I got all these lights under here.
Oh yeah, lights under here, and then you got the strip lights in there.
I got power to the rooftop.
Got red lights for the mood,
For the mood.
the different moods in the tent while you're sleeping. Yeah, mint. I don't know. You tell me, mate. You tell me.
Just sleeping, mate.
Yeah.
And this is how high the lift is.
Oh yeah. Just cut out the ramps there to his shoulder. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Here he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Up. Up. And no. Hey. Got his little coat on so he doesn't get cold. Hey, get the puppies in the video as many people request. We'll just wrap up this. Oh, okay. See, he doesn't want to be in the video. It's not my fault. We'll wrap up this video here. Oi, get out of it. It's a couple of days later from Bribey now. I'm actually just editing it now. And notice that I didn't film an outro, so here we are. Yeah, it was a midday out. Sit down. Midday out with the boys and bit of fun messing around on a mate's car. We did put the exhaust back on because it didn't sound any better. So he's thinking about ordering an aftermarket exhaust as his next thing. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully we'll get to install that on the channel actually. Might be right. Get a bit of 4J action on the channel for all you 4J lovers. Which would be mint. So yeah. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, anything to say to me, whack it in the comments down below. Oh, and if you're new here, then hit that subscribe button. Keep us going up. Alright, cheers guys. Have a good one.